Over 3,800 square feet of pure custom luxury. Welcome to 746 Carnoustie Drive. Let's take a look. This kitchen is every chef's dream, with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a perfect flow to the backyard and your summer entertaining. We've got a sport bottom pool, so it's great for entertaining, having some fun. There's balconies up above for different zones of outdoor living. And then you also have a pool bathroom with its own laundry. When I said this home is custom, it continues into the garage. There's 3 bays, it's oversized, there's room for a gym, and there's a dog run. When my clients built this home, they thought they would stay in it for a very long time. They really invested. There's heated tile floors throughout, quartz countertops throughout. There's even a steam shower in the master ensuite and fancy bidets. This house has a great floor plan with 3 bedrooms upstairs, a guest room on the main, plus an office. And I love this games room, media room. It's got a wet bar and super fun for families. Black Mountain is a fantastic neighborhood. There are so many great new homes here. There's trails nearby, there's schools, shopping just down the hill. Give me a call, I'll take you through for a personal tour. I'm Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.